Because I need somebody to get this drum kit out of here. The fucking neighbors. Hey man, did I tell you that? The neighbors fucking were whining around and said I gotta take the drum kit down. Look at it. Fuck, that thing's been here for a year and a half. $11,000 fucking dollars. And I want $9,000 to take it down. There's spot welds in there and stuff that you can't even fucking deal with. I wish I could find somebody to take it down for fucking cheap or something, but I don't know. You look at that. Is this, what? You want a drum kit to take it down for cheap? Okay.
Don't do it again.
Oh my god.
This is the wrong house. They said it was Ludwig's. I don't know what the fuck that is.